Firstly, I'm wetting the entire page thoroughly. Then I'm adding some cadmium yellow medium hue to the page. Without rinsing the brush, I'm loading some thick quinacridone pink from Daniel Smith and creating some rough reed shapes, like this. These paints are highly dispersive, so they are naturally going to spread out beautifully, like this. Next, I'm adding a little bit of wisteria here and there for some extra softness and color variety. Then I'm loading some Green Apatite Genuine toward the bottom of the page, and also adding a few touches around the middle areas, while mostly avoiding the pink sections, although some slight overlap here and there is alright. I'm using a thinner brush for this step because I think Green Apatite Genuine is even more dispersive, so I try not to let it spread too much. Now I'm adding a darker green from Michael Harding to build a little more depth. You can use any dark green you like here. In this step, we mainly want to strengthen the contrast slightly. Then I'm using a liner brush to paint a few grass-like details. Finally, I'm adding some white gouache to create a few dreamy, decorative elements.